So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover this amazing lab. So simply click on start lab and open the looker in incognito window. And if you're new to this channel, do like the video and subscribe the channel. Now wait for the looker to open, and then we have to just enter the details from the lab instruction. Carefully enter it and just select it and just log in. Now it will take some time, and after that we have to enable the development mode. So here you can clearly see the development mode. Click on this toggle so that you are able to modify the files. Once you toggle it, it will just refresh and reload it. Now you can clearly see we are in the development mode. Now just click on develop and select Qwiklabs e-commerce. It will again take some time, so wait for it. Now once it is live, we have to click on this view. Click on this three dot, click on create view, and from the lab instruction, just come over here to the top, copy this name from here, carefully copy the name and just paste it, create. Now copy the entire content, click on this, and from here replace entire content and just save it. Now after that, once it is saved, click on the models option. Okay, just click on the models, click on this training underscore model, scroll down a bit and you can see this file. Just update the file from here, click on save changes, and after that click on validate LookML. It will take some time, wait for it. So once that status is updated, click on commit, and here you can type any message. So just subscribe the channel if in case you haven't done. You can write any message, click on commit, and after that you have to simply deploy to production. Now once it is completed, just right click, open Looker in a new tab. Similarly, come to explore, and here you can see order items, right click, open once, open thrice. You have to open three times, okay, in three tab. Now here you'll see options, like you'll see my name over here. You have to just start it. So just click on it once, then click on second, then click on third. Now let's come to the first one. Here wait for the looker data to fully load. Then you have to update it to pie chart. And here you can see, if you are able to see, let me just show you in case you are unable to see over here. Here you can see you have to just update it. Just click on it, and once you see ascending order, the upward arrow, you are good to go. Now just update the row limit to 10, and let me just check it in lab whatever they have mentioned. So we are in the task number 1. Okay, so here they have mentioned that we have to modify all these things we have already done. Then row limit is to 10. Now what you need to do, you have to simply run it, and for the look name you have to come over here and carefully copy the name from here. This is our look title. So just copy the name, click on save, save as a look, paste the name and simply save it. So this is the way we have to complete it. Now simply check the score, and if you want to enable this yellow check my progress bar, you can check the video description. Now let me check the score. So you can see we got the score for task number 1. Similarly, we'll be getting for task number 2 also. So here, just come over here and check the score like this. So this is how we completed the lab, and that's the way we have to complete the lab. If you have any query, you can let me in the comment section. Do like the video and subscribe the channel. Have a great day ahead.